So we just referenced the generator expression in this last lesson, but let's focus on that part and explain it a bit better. We had sum entity.get interaction attempt 0 for entity in self entity database.values. This demonstrates generator expressions, compact for loops written inside function calls, and dictionary assignments that process data efficiently without creating intermediate lists. So let's break down that generator expression syntax. Entity.get interaction attempt 0 for entity in self.entity database.values is essentially a compressed for loop written in one line. The expression entity.get interaction attempts, 0 is what gets calculated for each item for entity in self.entity database.values is the iteration part. The parentheses creates a generator that produces values on demand. This is inline data processing without intermediate variables. We have much less verbosity in our code. Generator expressions create actually memory efficient iteration using generators that avoid creating these temporary lists. The sum function receives values one at a time as needed, rather than processing a complete list stored in memory. So we're mirroring real data analyses where efficiency definitely matters. Scientific databases produce millions of records without storing intermediate results. Your generator expression processes entity data on demand using minimal memory while calculating accurate aggregate statistics. The concept of lazy evaluation means the generator only produces values when some requests them, creating efficient, readable data processing that integrates seamlessly with functions like sum, max, and min.